Here's how to add an event to a calendar on POCO X7 Pro. First of all, of course, we need to open the calendar. After that, you need to simply press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then you can choose event. At the top, you can set up the name of the event. You can also switch it between event, task, and birthday. And depending on the selected category, you have various different settings. So you can choose the email or actually the category. You can select the time, the period of the event. You can set it all day, or you can choose a specific time as well as specific date. You can also choose the time zone, whether it should repeat or not. You can also create your custom repetition, and so on and so forth. And what is worth mentioning also is the notification. So by default, you can be notified 30 minutes before the event. However, of course, you can add another notification. You can have multiple notifications and be informed about the upcoming event multiple times. If you want to remove the notification, then you can press this X on the right side. You can also choose the color, create a description, and also add Google Drive attachment. Once you are done with setting up the event, you can simply press save in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!